A new breed of multi-million-dollar luxury condos popping up along Miami's beaches. More people flee high taxes in New York and New Jersey and Connecticut, and they're going there. Cheryl Sonia is in Miami this morning at the residences in Armani Casa. Hey, Cheryl.
Hey, good morning, Maria. Yes, and this was designed head to toe, top to bottom by Giorgio Armani himself. And he worked with a local developer, Dezer, who took us on a grand tour of the grand opening of Armani Casa. Watch. Okay, Gil, here we go. Show me Residences by Armani Casa. This is incredible what you've done here.
Thank you very much. Welcome to our new tower.
What do you want people to experience when they walk into the building?
Well, the idea of doing an Armani Casa building is to really show Armani's lifestyle side of the brand, not just the clothing line that everybody knows about. If you've been to their hotels or if you've seen any of their furniture lines, you can really see that we took the essence of what is Armani and we put it into this building. You can really see and feel what Armani is all about. This is a custom designed sofa done from the team. All the sofas here. The wallpaper that you see there is the Armani wallpaper print as well.
And I just want to point out here, the Armani logo is on every pillow in the lobby.
It's also about living in a hotel lifestyle inside your residence. But you have a spa here. This is your waiting room area. You can have your manicure, pedicure, and everything done right here.
Okay.
In the building without ever having to leave.
All right.
Hair as well. Bring your glam squad down. Well, really what it is as you see, we're in a spa treatment room in a condominium building. So there's no hotel aspect here. There's no transient guests. People aren't coming and going. But it's like living in a hotel because you have all the hotel services available right downstairs. This is the theater.
Movie theater.
Like having your own private movie theater in your house. The idea of having the theater inside your building is like as if you were having your own private mansion with your rooms upstairs. We have a cigar bar because sometimes the wife, gets tired of the smell of cigars inside the house, so she kicks you out and you have a place to go downstairs. We also have a great wine room for people to really enjoy the bottles of wine. We have the right temperature refrigeration systems to put them in, and so people can leave their wine there and also just access it from our sommelier downstairs in the restaurant.
There's a playroom as well, right? Is that for, I'm assuming, it's Florida. I'm thinking the grandkids are going to need that playroom. I don't know.
The grandkids on a rainy day, because we have the beach in the back, so they should be playing on the sand. But assuming it's a rainy day, we got something for them to do also. My partner, George Perez, is an avid art collector. He's also the founder of the PAM, the Perez Art Museum in Miami. And so we left that entirely up to him because he's really the expert in that realm. We still have a few apartments available, ranging in price from $1.7 up to $17 million.
Okay.
This is definitely one of the best buildings, if not the best building in Miami, definitely South Florida, and could be potentially the United States. So it's definitely worth a check out if you're coming down to take a look.
I think we should say a final toast to Giorgio Armani. Great job on this development.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Cheers.
And Maria, cheers to Giorgio Armani, and of course, a lovely, beautiful sunny day here in Sunny Isles, Florida. This beach is really becoming the luxury capital just north of Miami. Now, again, everything is Armani. I decided to wear my favorite Armani dress just for you, Maria, this morning. And I have 3 glasses of champagne to toast back to you ladies in New York. I have one for you, one for Dagan. And in spirit, I send this salute back to you.
Now
in New York City,
okay,
Maria.
so now you're teasing us with it. Now you're rubbing our faces in the fact that you're in Miami and it's about to rain in New York City, and Dagan and I are here watching you. So how did she get this assignment, Dagan?
Yeah, Cheryl, look, don't make me tell you what you can do with that champagne.
I don't know. We love you, Sharon. Cheryl, have fun. Have fun at Armani. We will see you when you get back to New York. Great stuff.